How to download and install Toshiba printer driver. Step 1. Open your browser and search for business.toshiba.com. Step 2. Once the website is opened, click on the Support tab. Step 3. Scroll to the Search by Model section. Step 4. Enter your printer model. Step 5. Click on Search for Model. Step 6. You will get redirected to the driver's page. Step 7. Scroll to the driver section and expand it. Step 8. Download your desired printer driver. Step 9. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Step 10. Click on Extract to. Step 11. Select a destination path. Step 12. Open the extracted file. Step 13. Open the setup application. Step 14. Select language. Step 15. Click on Next. Step 16. Review the license agreement. Step 17. Select the I accept option and click on Next. Step 18. Select your printer model. Step 19. Click on the Install button. Step 20. Wait for installation. Step 21. Once the printer driver is installed, click on Finish. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.